Well guys, good evening. It's Patrick here, PCTV. I'm back, and guess what? So's Brian. It's cruise night, like we do 52 Wednesdays a year. Cruise. Brian.
PC, hit the subscribe button at PCTV. What's happening, baby?
What's up,
Listen,
brother?
January 18th, it's our Legends Cruise Night. It's when we honor those loved ones in heaven. It's when we give strength to the ones left behind for their families. It's an important night. Get off the couches, come down and cruise, and be a part of it. This car club is special. Surf City Classics in the house, 52 Wednesdays a year. Get you some of this!
There you go, bro. All right, in the big truck tonight. We got some good police coverage going too. Oh, look at that, it's Scotty. In the Integra.
Sounds like he's having road rage up there.
Doesn't he? And especially when he's, you know,
when he's
like,
in that mood.
He's like an angry Canadian. No.
Hey, Rick, congratulations, man. You deserve it.
Oh, it's awesome.
You're
This one,
you're a phenomenal guy, man.
so cool. That was great, huh?
Yeah.
Car looks great. You're looking great. Thank you for everything you're doing, man.
Thank you, PC.
It. All right, brother.
All right, buddy.
Good to see you. All right, Scotty, Trey, Mouse. Hello, Mary. Hi, sweetheart. God bless you both. Love you. All right, Mouse and Mary in the 50. Oh, John, you're on this side of the drive. Wow, it's so weird to see you on this side. I'm not used to seeing John on the driver's side. Steve,
Hey.
what's up, brother? How you doing?
Good. Hey,
Yeah.
say hi to Rick and congratulations.
Pretty cool, huh?
All right.
That was awesome. You're gonna love it. Rick McAllister got Special Member of the Month award. Our international members going crazy.
Popo down here.
Look at that. Yo, slow down there, Mr. Junkyard. Junkyardfind.com. Hello.
Hey.
Hi, here's all my sweethearts. Oh, at least one.
Congratulations, Rick McAllister.
That's awesome, huh?
Congrats.
Okay. There we go. Hey, there she is. Oh, bumping diamonds. Wait, I don't have any. Darn it. I love her square body. She's a sweetheart here. Joe, what's up? How you doing, buddy?
Always great video.
Good to see you. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Great to see you as always. 64 and a half. Go. Yeah. Of course, Pinto Bob. No night is complete without Pinto Bob. Yeah, brother. Back, buddy. Whew. It's cold. Got Pinto Bob in the house. Look at that police cover. Don Allison. Oh, you're running solo tonight.
I'm up in the lone wolf tonight.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man.
Congratulations,
Watch out.
Rick. Well deserved.
That was really cool. Yep. Love it, Rick. Jeff Page. Never even saw you until you left. I never saw you until you left.
Yeah, we got half the police force out here. Or what?
Yeah. It's half off on donuts or something. I don't know. There goes Rick. It's a half off on donut sale. Oh, give up, please. Now we got Jack Stewart in the house. Brought me back my chairs. What a brother.
Heck yeah, man.
Looking good. Oh.
Keep your hand on warm, bro.
Oh, thank you. Oh, look what I got. A hand warmer. Woo. Yeah, congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
Very cool.
Thank you much.
And about your kitty.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, she was a sweet little girl.
Yeah, I loved her. She's great. Picture. I love the pictures. There we go. Oh. It's like, oh, you're driving the Malibu.
Yeah. What's happening?
I'm like, oh.
What's up, Rick? Congrats on Member of the Month, brother. I'm only making one pass.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, about that time. Dave's here. Look at that. See, now I didn't get confused. I was confused by Robert driving that. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Somebody was on high enough to hand me a hot pad for my hand.
Well, that's good.
I like it. Yeah, that was a good idea.
You got the cops blocking the street off real well tonight.
I know. They're working overtime tonight. I swear there must be a half off sale somewhere on donuts. Or kale shakes, whoever. Oh,
Hey.
wait a second. I almost ignored you.
I know, I don't have my car today.
You're not wearing your gear. driving your plane, you know.
Just acting normal between the Surf City Classic.
You're just stealthing tonight.
Good to
It's like
see
you're
you,
undercover. I got loaned one of these.
Good to see you, buddy.
Good to see you too.
Yeah, we all love Patrick.
Trying. Woo! Trying. Whoa, back again.
Congratulations to Rick McAllister, Cop Car Bruce. Hey, January 18th, let's show the character of the car club, the depth of the car club. Let's come down, support our legends. We're in heaven and help their families heal. One more time. Surf City Classics in the house. 52 wins this year. Get you some of this.
Yeah, buddy. We got Mike Miller in the house. How are you, sir?
Yeah, great.
Good to see you. Yep, Mike Miller in the house. Just making sure I'm not in slow-mo. Yeah, the worst thing in the world is all of a sudden thinking, oh my God, am I in slow-mo again? And all of a sudden I stop the camera real fast. Last week I lost all the basically lost all of our cruise footage. Hey, look at that. Rolling the bug. I'll have mine. As soon as I get my bug out of the garage, I'll drive it.
Oh yeah, man.
All right, looking cool. Center line, solids. Little 1600 dual port. Here comes Scotty. Last lap.
Never got to see the latest edition in my dash here.
No. Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
Oh, that's pretty sweet.
yeah, it's got the navigator and all kinds of neat stuff on it.
Wow.
21st century technology.
Love it. Yeah, it's like almost, yeah, dude, you got a full screen in there. That's
Yeah.
crazy. It fits right in.
Fits right in.
That's awesome. Love it.
First,
Nice.
it just about bankrupted me.
Was it HP Auto Sound or who did it for you? We'll find out one of these days who did it. All right. At least people behind are going, what the heck's going on? So, good, bud. All right. Hey, we got a monitor coming through. Oh, hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
How's it going?
Good, good.
Looking good? Looking good? Jack was nice enough to loan me this hot pack. One more time for Steve.
Time. Hey,
Woo.
take it easy, man.
You too, bud.
See you
It's getting
later.
cool out here.
Yeah.
All right. There goes Steve Thomas, great guy in his 30. We got Jeff. Check here, out Jeff. One more time. That's a great page for the club. It's amazing. 73 Pinto. Pinto Bob. Small bumper. Pinto. 71? Yeah. 71 Pinto. I actually got it right. I actually got it right. I love the ribbon bumpers on these. Except you don't want to crash with them. But yeah, they're beautiful little cars. Okay, that's Pinto Bob. Don, making his second pass. Look at that.
Have a good week, buddy.
You too, brother. Take care.
Talk to you soon.
All right. Be good. Take care. There goes Don Allison. Oh, we got Big Perm, but Dave's here.
Back again.
One more time. All right, brother. Have a good one there. Oh, we got a truck backing in. Hey, Mike Miller in the house. There we go, Mike. Hey.
January 18th, Legends Cruise Night. It shows the depth of the car club, the character of the car club. You invest what you get in this car club, you put into what you get. Come down and participate, be a part of it, and let's help all those families who need healing. Surf City Classics in the house, 52 wins this year. Get you some of this!
All right, guys. Well, that closes out the night here on PCTV. Thanks for watching and helping support the cure for autism. Good night.
King of the road.